You're listening to English Boost Zone, the podcast where real conversations build real fluency. No textbooks, no boring drills, just natural English every single day. I'm your host, and today we're diving into 50 daily use sentences you absolutely must know. Let's get into it.
Hi, I'm Maya, and as always, I'm here with my close bosom, Jake. Jake, how are you doing today?
Maya, I am doing fantastically well. Thank you for asking. And honestly, I feel like today's episode is one of those ones where listeners are going to finish it and immediately want to replay it.
Right? Because today, this one is so practical. We're going through 50 daily use English sentences that you genuinely need in your everyday life.
These aren't fancy, they're not academic, they are the sentences that native speakers use when they're grabbing coffee, texting a friend, dealing with a tough day at work, or just, existing.
Exactly. And we're going to break them into groups so it's easy to follow along. So whether you're at the gym, commuting, cooking, just keep listening and let the language sink in naturally.
That's the magic of listening practice, right? You don't have to try too hard, just be in the conversation.
Love that. Okay, let's go. Group 1, starting your day and small talk.
All right, sentence number 1, and this one is so common it's almost invisible. How's it going?
Simple, casual, and honestly, way more natural than how are you in everyday situations. If someone passes you in the hallway, you say, how's it going? You're not expecting a full health report.
Right, you're not asking them to sit down and explain their week. It's a friendly opener. Number 2, not bad, thanks. You?
This is your go-to reply. It's polite, it's relaxed, and it bounces the question right back. Very natural.
Number 3, I'm still waking up, honestly.
Oh, I use this one almost every morning in meetings. It's honest, it's relatable, and people laugh. It builds connection immediately.
Number 4, it's been one of those days.
Ooh, heavy one, but so useful. When things are going wrong and you don't even want to explain, this sentence does all the work.
Everyone understands it immediately. No explanation needed. Number 5, can you believe this weather?
The universal conversation starter. Doesn't matter what country you're in, talking about weather is always a safe, friendly way to connect with someone.
Okay, group 2, at work or school. These are super important, especially if you're in an English-speaking environment.
Number 6, let me get back to you on that.
Professional, polished, and it buys you time without sounding unsure. Instead of fumbling for an answer on the spot, you say this, and people respect it.
Number 7, just to clarify.
Brilliant phrase. You use it when you want to make sure everyone's on the same page, or when you want to correct something politely without making it awkward.
Number 8, could you say that again? I want to make sure I understood correctly.
And this, learners, write this one down. This is not embarrassing to say. It actually makes you sound more professional because you care about getting it right. Native speakers say this all the time. Number 9, I'll look into it and send you an update.
This is so useful in emails and spoken conversations. It shows responsibility. It shows follow-through. Very strong phrase.
Number 10, that's a great point, actually.
Jake says this to me at least 3 times per episode.
Because you make great points, Maya. But yes, this phrase is conversation goldmine. It validates the other person, keeps the discussion positive, and flows naturally.
Group 3, making plans and social life. This is where a lot of learners feel nervous, right, Jake?
Totally, because in social settings, the language moves fast, and you want to sound warm, not robotic. Okay, number 11. Are you free this weekend?
Short, friendly, direct. Much more natural than do you have availability on Saturday?
Nobody says that to a friend. Number 12. That sounds like fun. I'm in.
I'm in. 2 words that say everything. You're enthusiastic, you're agreeing, you're being a good friend. Use it.
Number 13. Let's figure out the details later.
This is the phrase of every casual plan ever made. You're not canceling, you're just keeping it flexible. Very natural.
Number 14. Something came up. Can we reschedule?
Life happens, and this phrase handles it gracefully. It's honest without oversharing, and it leaves the door open.
Number 15. I'll let you know closer to the time.
Perfect when you're not 100% sure yet. It's not a no, it's not a fake yes. It's real, and people appreciate it.
Group 4. Expressing feelings and reactions. This is where English really comes alive, because emotions are universal, but how we express them varies a lot.
Number 16. I'm a bit overwhelmed right now.
Honest, vulnerable, and so important to be able to say. Whether you're at work, at home, or in a conversation, being able to name your feeling is a sign of real language fluency.
Number 17. That really means a lot to me.
Use this when someone does something kind for you. It's warm, sincere, and not over the top, just genuine.
Number 18. I can't stop thinking about it.
Great for excitement or worry. Context tells the listener which one you mean, flexible and natural.
Number 19. Honestly, I'm just relieved it's over.
Honestly, at the start of a sentence, learners, this is a soft filler word that makes you sound so much more natural and real. Use it when you're sharing something genuine.
Number 20. I had no idea that would happen.
Surprise, disbelief, a little shock. This phrase covers all of it perfectly.
Group 5. Disagreeing politely. This is a big one because many learners avoid disagreeing in English because they don't know how to do it without sounding rude.
Number 21. I see where you're coming from, but...
This is the gold standard of polite disagreement. You acknowledge the other person first, then you make your point. Respectful and effective.
Number 22. I'm not sure I fully agree with that. Gentle, measured, and completely valid. You're not attacking, you're opening a dialogue.
That's one way to look at it, I suppose.
This one has a little bit of sass built in, doesn't it?
Just a tiny bit, but it's still polite. It's like saying, okay, your opinion exists without fully agreeing.
Number 24. Have you considered the other side of this? Beautiful question to ask in a discussion. It opens minds without closing conversations.
Number 25. Let's agree to disagree on this one.
And sometimes, that's the most mature thing you can say. Not every disagreement needs a winner. Halfway there, everyone. Group 6. Shopping, errands, and everyday tasks.
Number 26. Do you have this in a different size?
Essential for shopping. Clear and direct.
Number 27. I'm just browsing, thanks.
When a shop assistant approaches and you're not ready to buy, this is your perfect polite exit. No awkwardness.
Number 28. Could I get a receipt for that?
Practical, simple, useful everywhere. Shops, restaurants, taxis.
Number 29. Is there a waiting list?
Restaurants, appointments, events. Super versatile phrase.
Number 30. How long is the wait, roughly?
Roughly is a great word here. It signals you're okay with an approximate answer. Very natural sounding.
Group 7. Asking for help or clarification.
Number 31. Could you point me in the right direction? Literally and figuratively useful. Asking for directions or guidance on a task.
Number 32. Is there anything I'm missing here?
Great at work, great in conversations. Shows self-awareness and openness.
Number 33. I hate to bother you, but...
This little opener softens any request beautifully. It shows awareness that you're interrupting someone's time.
Number 34. Would it be possible to...
Formal enough for professional settings, friendly enough for everyday use. Extremely versatile.
Number 35. I just want to make sure I've got this right.
Confidence and carefulness in one sentence. Wonderful.
Group 8. Giving opinions and recommendations.
Number 36. In my experience, this phrase gives your opinion authority without being arrogant. You're sharing what you know from your life.
Number 37. If you ask me.
Casual way to introduce an opinion. Friendly and direct.
Number 38. You might want to try...
Soft recommendation. Low pressure. The listener can take it or leave it.
Number 39. I'd highly recommend it.
Strong, confident, positive. Perfect for recommending anything. A restaurant, a book, a TV show.
Number 40. It's worth a shot.
When something might work, might not, but it's worth trying. Very casual and very common.
Group 9. Wrapping up conversations.
Group 10, power phrases for fluent speakers. These are the ones that really separate intermediate from advanced.
Number 46. That said,
Used to introduce a contrast. The movie was long. That said, the ending was incredible. It signals nuance and sophistication.
number 47. All things considered,
This phrase shows you've weighed multiple factors. Very mature, very articulate.
number 48. At the end of the day,
One of the most common filler phrases in natural English. Use it to arrive at a final key point.
number 49. Don't get me wrong, but
This signals that you're about to say something that might sound negative, but you want the listener to understand your intention is good. Very useful.
and number 50, our final one. You know what I mean?
The most human phrase in the English language. When words aren't quite enough, you reach for this. And somehow, everyone always does know what you mean.
And that's it. 50 daily use English sentences, 10 groups, delivered to your ears in a completely natural way.
The best thing you can do now is pick 5 of these, just 5, and use them today. In a text, in a conversation, in your head. Repetition builds fluency.
And if you want more episodes like this, hit subscribe and leave us a comment. Tell us which sentence was your favorite or which one surprised you most.
We read every single comment. We really do.
Until next time, keep listening, keep speaking, and keep growing. I'm Maya,
I'm Jake.
and this is English Boost Zone. See you next time.
Subscribe for more episodes.